Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. We are going to be diving in with another Sunday reset. I love to have a routine on Sunday that is going to set my week up for success. So I have a few things I want to get done. I always make a to-do list the night before so I don't miss a beat. I want to make sure that I get the things done that I plan to, along with some regular routine things that I just automatically do on a Sunday. This Sunday I wanted to go ahead and do some decluttering and reorganizing inside my bathroom linen closet. It was a mess and I just wanted to straighten it up. Every time I go in there, it is very overwhelming. I also wanted to do some more batch cooking for the week. It just helps save time so I don't have to worry about cooking every single night of the week.
I tried to shake it, find a way to get you off.
So every Sunday I do wash our bedding, and this Sunday I am not washing my daughter's. I'm in the process of giving her room a makeover. I painted it. Everything is in the middle of her bedroom. So she's been sleeping with me. I am going to be building her day bed. Once I'm finished with that, she'll be moving back in her room.
Instead of running away and jumping the gun to play it safe. Oh,
Okay, you guys, so I wanted to show you some of the things that I'm going to be batch cooking today, and that is some cilantro lime rice, sweet potatoes, chipotle chicken, some hearty baked penne pasta, and a crock pot pulled ranch chicken. So most of these meals, I already had a lot of these ingredients on hand, and that's kind of why I chose them, because I wanted to eat up the things that we already have, so I'm spending less money. These are the items that I needed to pick up for those meals. I just needed some cilantro, ricotta cheese, cream of chicken, ground beef, whole wheat penne, and I needed a couple more packs of chicken than I already had on hand. So this is what we're making, and we're gonna go ahead and start cooking.
So when I batch cook, I like to make several different meats. So you got your different proteins to choose from throughout the week, along with a carb on the side. I have tried batch cooking with vegetables. Today I am not. I'm just going to make those as I go throughout the week so they don't get soggy or anything. I am making the crock pot ranch chicken, and I did it a little bit different this time. I've tried it with a can of cream of chicken, and I am not a fan. I am going back to just my ranch packet and enjoying it that way. Let me know if you make crock pot ranch chicken, and do you use cream of chicken with it? So what I'm doing is I am preparing some of the foods that I'm going to be cooking today. Right now I'm making a marinade, and then I wanted to get that crock pot meal started because you know that takes hours. And then I'm going to go into my weekly cleaning tasks. Right now I'm making the marinade for some copycat chipotle chicken that I'm making. This is a new recipe for me. I will make sure to include the recipes down below. So now that it's all mixed up, we're going to go ahead and stick it in the refrigerator for a while, and then I'm going to go ahead and start prepping my sweet potatoes and getting those in the oven. I like to go ahead and start the cooking as early as I can so I can finish earlier in the day and I can enjoy the rest of my Sunday and also do my Sunday self-care routine. So right now I'm just going ahead and switching out the blankets, moving them to the dryer, and then I am also going to be washing a load of laundry in a little bit and folding that later in the video. That is something I like to keep up on daily. It's just a little easier for me to have a load or two to wash a day than to wait a few days and I have like 4 or 5 loads to wash and fold. So then I like to come into my bathroom, pick things up if there's a mess, wipe down the counters, and definitely clean the mirrors. You can see mine are super dirty. I'm also going to be using the Pink Stuff bathroom foaming cleaner to clean the countertops. I love this stuff. And then I use my Jaws glass cleaner on the mirrors.
with you, we can never So finally,
So I knew I could not start another week without tackling my bathroom closet. This year, I'm really trying to just stay on top of my spaces throughout my house instead of waiting for them to get super messy and cluttered and doing it once or twice a year. My plan is to stay on top of it and organize it as needed. And I definitely needed to organize these bins and declutter through some of the stuff that we're not using. I threw away quite a few things and just got this space more simplified, organized, and it just felt so much better. I challenge you to declutter a space this week, no matter how big or small it is. It could be your nightstand, any drawer. I know when you're finished doing that, you're going to feel so much better. You're going to be enjoying your space or that drawer a lot more, and you also get a feeling of accomplishment.
so finally, the rainbow, to the top again. Campaign on a Tuesday, when I'm with you, the weekend never ends. When I'm with you, the weekend never ends.
When we wake,
So now that our chicken has marinated, we're gonna go ahead and get it into the oven. I'm also making some cilantro lime rice. For this week's batch cooking, I am doing things a little bit different. I am going to keep some of the foods in the fridge and then I'm going to put the rest in the freezer. I'm going to be splitting them up in more individual meal prep freezer bags, and then the rest I'm gonna put in the bigger freezer bags for dinners for the family.
it's crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon.
I will go ahead and link the products that I'm using in today's video, some of the storage containers and the freezer bags down below.
Do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking.
So I went ahead and cut up the chicken, and I am storing a cup of chicken and a cup of rice in these individual bags, and then freezing the rest in these bigger bags.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't know.
So now we're gonna go ahead and make some baked penne pasta. This is a family favorite and super easy to make.
Yeah. Why am I the option to be someone else, I would. And let go of you.
So what we have here is the baked penne. I have one that is gonna go into the freezer. These are freezer safe dishes. You just wanna make sure your food is cooled down. So one goes in the fridge, one goes in the freezer. This is that ranch crock pot chicken along with some cilantro lime rice. This is actually gonna go into the refrigerator. I made the sweet potatoes. I kinda ate some, so we have a little bit less than what we started with. And then a couple of bags of these like individual prep meals. And then I have some bag of the chipotle chicken that's going in the freezer along with some rice that would feed all of us.
Just comes easy that you don't.
So now we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning up the kitchen. I already clean and put things away as I go, just so there's less of a mess at the end and you're not spending hours cleaning after you just spent hours cooking. So I didn't start cleaning right after I finished cooking. I was actually hanging out with Ava. If you're new, that is my 7-year-old daughter. So we hung out for a couple of hours and then I got myself back up to clean because if I wait too long into the evening, I would have probably been too tired to actually clean the rest of the kitchen.
You, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
So now I'm going to go ahead and get that load of laundry folded, watch a little bit of YouTube. I am making sure I am getting my water intake. After this, I just do a little bit of my self-care routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's Sunday reset. Please comment down below, say hi so I know that you were here, and let me know how you're doing. I will see all of you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.